Ito naman susunod na awitin ay para sa lahat na hanggang ngayon ay nabibigyan ng pag-asa ng kantang ito.
Bakit ka ba naghihintay? Nahimukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan. Lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog pa ang Diyos, natutulog pa. At ikaw ay kaagad sumusukong. Kunting hirap at munting pagsubok lamang. Bakit ganyan? Nasaan ang iyong tapang? Natutuwag, nawawalan ng pag-asa. At iniisip na natutulog pa. Natutulog pa ang Diyos, natutulog pa. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ng iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang hubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag mo sanang akalain, natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay niya ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Mapapa na ikaw ay maghintay, nahimukin pa, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Gawin mo na kung ano ang nararamdaman. Magsikap ka at magtiwala sa may kapal. Baka handa ang Diyos umalalay sa iyo. Hinihintay ka lang, kaibigan. Sikapin mo, pilitin mo, tibayan ang iyong puso. Tanging ikaw ang hubog sa iyong bukas. Huwag sa pag-akalain, natutulog pa ang Diyos. Ang buhay niyo ay mayroong halaga sa Kanya. Sa Kanya.
All it takes sometimes is just one physical touch, one encouraging word, not a word that gives a sermon to somebody else. I think people have had enough of that. But instead of speaking down at people, you speak into the hearts of people, and then let God be God. Brothers and sisters, whatever our eyes get to see actually can deceive us. When you think that there's somebody who comes to you and persecutes you, it could be that that person is simply hiding behind the wall of a lot of pain, a lot of letdowns, broken promises, hopes that have come and gone, especially people who are, oh, you're going to be great someday, and then it never happens. So then they look at God and they're like, oh, they're angry, but it doesn't mean that they're disqualified from the love of Christ. I thought that I had to do so much to get him into my life. And I realized that he was always there at the door of my heart, just knocking. And because he's such a gentleman, you know, he will not force himself in. He will just knock. And this time he knocked and he just called my name and I opened my heart to him and he walked in. There are things that he can do and he will do through you. It may be big, it may be small, but you plant good seed on good soil, you can only produce good fruit.
You know, friends, I thought I would only get my wish to one day sing this song on a stage like this. Little did I know that God had other plans. His plan was for me to record this Twyla Paris masterpiece because he knew it could be used as an instrument to heal many weary souls.
Lately I've been winning battles left and right, but even winners can get wounded in the fight. People say that I'm amazing, I'm strong beyond my years, but they don't see inside me, I'm hiding all my tears. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while, 'cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. I'm unafraid because his armor is the best. But even soldiers need a quiet place to rest. People say that I'm amazing, I never face retreat, but they don't see the enemies that lay me at his feet. They don't know that I come running home when I fall down. They don't know who picks me up when no one is around. I drop my sword and I cry for just a while, 'cause deep inside this armor, the warrior is a child. They don't 'Cause deep inside these armors, deep inside these armors, deep inside these armors, the warrior is a child.
Grabe, what a night. You know, if I had the time to share with you what a challenge it's been to even step up on this stage today. Okay lang po. Alam mo, hindi na namin sinundan yung original na concert yung lineup. Kasi it's hindi naman tipong bahala na, no? But we changed it a bit simply because it was a challenge kasi. The deadline this morning was 9 a.m. kung itutuloy ko ang concert na to o hindi. But then at 8:15, sabi ko pa nga sa misis ko, Angeli came up to me and said, "You're gonna be great, Gary." And I looked at her and I said, "I cannot do this concert. I cannot." But the kind of wife that she is, she was persistent and she believed that I could not do it, but God could. So kung humihinto ako at pumupunta ako dito sa tabi, I just have to get some ice chips kasi it was such a severe hydration that my mouth becomes dry so quickly. Ayoko naman kumanta ng tipong kakantahin ko ngayon na tipong because that's what happens when your mouth... Look, if there are any aspiring singers here, please make sure you never come out on stage with a dry mouth, okay? Seriously, it doesn't only affect your singing, it affects your talking as well. Because your talking can end up like... Okay, matanong ko lang, how many young ones are there in the audience tonight? Okay. I promised myself I wouldn't ask this question, but I need to ask it, and I did anyway. How many honest young people are there in the audience tonight? Okay, so there are a lot of honest people. How many are honestly young? You know, I know that you are my audience. You know why? In every big concert I've had here at the Araneta Coliseum, I always ask that, and I see the same hands being put up. So if I'm 60 years old, like I am really today, that means many of you are my generation too, huh? How nice. So let's all be honest together. So, if we're ready, ang layo sa suot ko, no? Pwede ko pang, can I just remove this? Okay lang?